Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So a lot of you are asking me about the PUBG on this Lenovo Chromebook Duet. So I'm gonna change the resolution. You guys are also asking me about what is the highest resolution on this. So yeah, it's gonna take some time to load. So it is compiling the resources right now. Alright, so over here, I'm going to go to the setting gear icon right here next to the map. And then I'm going to change the graphics over here. So it was on HD and then I changed to HDR. So here are some of the graphics right here: smooth, balanced, HD, and HDR. But when I click on Ultra HD, it will not support this Chromebook Duet or the UHD. But the frame rate on this is on the Ultra. So you can set it to low, medium, high. So here are my settings right now. So a lot of you guys are questioning, if you play this, could you play this on the Ultra setting, frame rate, and what is the graphic on this? So if I click on Ultra HD, it's going to give me this error message. This option will be available on your device soon. And if I click on the UHD, and it says coming soon. So there's no lag or anything. It is pretty good. So unfortunately, if you guys are playing on your Intel chip, your HP, your Dell, or whatever, because those chip, it takes complicated instruction, and with this mobile device or they use ARM, so it is a simple instruction. So it's much more smoother and faster processor for the CPU. Okay. And that's why there's no lag. So yeah, anyway, I'm not gonna play it because just to show you guys. Maybe I could try to walk around or something because I'm not too good with the gaming, so. So let's just give you guys a sample real quick. So I'm running. Punch. Jump. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.